Today in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the secret of cracking UPSC Prelims examination. This secret has helped me crack 6 out of 6 prelims, scoring one of the highest marks in the prelims examination in the last 10 years. You can see guys, I have scored 30 to 40 marks more than the cutoff, which is very rare distinction in the field of civil services. Guys, that secret is my PYQ analysis method. Guys, many aspirants, they solve PYQs, but only few aspirants, they know exactly how to take maximum out of PYQs. Today, I'll help you to understand how to use PYQs to understand the mindset of the question setters, how to use PYQs to understand the secret themes of UPSC prelims questions, and how to use PYQs to predict questions in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, as a bonus, I am going to predict a question in the UPSC Prelims 2026 examination. I have a firm belief, a firm faith that the topic, the theme which I am going to discuss is going to come in 2026 Prelims examination. So at least 2 marks today you will secure in the upcoming Prelims examination. I am going to give you the reason, proper reason why I feel this topic is going to be asked. Okay, so what I am going to do is that I am going to take some PYQs. I am going to explain you the evolving pattern of the UPSC examination, and then I'm going to reveal you the prediction for 2026 prelims examination. Guys, this is very special video. Nowhere in India you will get such kind of lectures. Let us start. So guys, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you some of the PYQs. You can see here, for the first time in 2021 prelims examination, there was a question on dates. You can see here 21st February is declared the International Mother's Language Day by UNICEF. This was the first year when UPSC asked factual questions regarding date. Generally, the perception among the aspirant was UPSC generally do not ask factual questions. But after the COVID, you will see every year UPSC is asking questions which are factual in nature, like dates or sports. Okay, generally UPSC never asked such kind of questions before 2020. Okay, so you can see this question. Again, you can see in 2023, UPSC again repeated dates question. You can see the 7th August is declared as National Handloom Day. Why 7th August is declared as National Handloom Day? You can see day, UPSC was asking day question. Then UPSC evolved in 2025 to ask question regarding year. You can see here this question, 2025 question, they have asked International Year of Women Farmers, International Year of Sustainable and Resilient Tourism, International Year of Peace and Trust, and they have given the year. Okay, so you can see first what they asked. First they asked days. Okay, international days and national days. Then they evolved in the coming years, 2021, 2023, they ask days. You can see here days, International Mother Language Day, then National Handloom Day. Then in 2025 they are asking year, International Year of Women Farmer, International Year of Sustainable and Resilient Tourism. Next in the coming years, what will they ask? They will ask decade, International Year of or International Decade of that. Okay, so first they ask days, 1 or 2 years, then they ask year, now they will ask decades. Why I am saying this? Because recently you will see this news item, guys. United Nations launched road safety financing project in 4 of the states. Guys, recently United Nations Road Safety Fund backed initiative in Rajasthan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Assam. You know guys, India is worst as far as road accidents are concerned. The number of deaths, the number of road accidents in India is one of the highest in the world. So this topic is very, very important. And since United Nations is concerned here, United Nations Road Safety Fund, guys, if you read this article in the Hindu newspaper, you will see here an interesting information. You can see here, Decade for Action for Road Safety 2021-2030. This decade, this 2021 decade to 2030 is the decade of action for road safety. Okay, so decade, understand. So first they ask days, international days, then they asked international year, and now they will ask what? Decade. This is quite logical or not? This is logical or not? So see, that's why I am saying UPSC cracking just not required information and mugging up. what you require is logical way of thinking. First they ask days, then they ask international year. Obviously in the coming years they are going to ask decade, and this is in the news also, so this becomes very important. So what I have done is that I have collected all the important decades. You can see here United Nations international decades. You can see here all the important decades. Here you can see here 2021 to 2030. You can see second decade for action for road safety. Okay, so you can see here 2027 to 2036 United Nations decade for afforestation and reforestation in line of sustainable forest management. Then 2026 to 2035 United Nations decade for sustainable transport. Then 2025 to 2034 second international decade for people of African descent. Then 2025 to 2034 decade for action for cryospheric science. This is very important, cryospheric science. Okay, next 2025 to 2034 United Nations decade for combating sand and dust storm. This also is important because of desertification. Next 2024 to 2033 international decade for sciences for sustainable development. Then 2022 to 2032 international decade for indigenous language. Then 2021 to 2030 United Nations decade for healthy aging. This is also very important, healthy aging. Then 2021 to 2030 fourth international decade for eradication of colonialism. Then this already we have discussed. Then 2021 to 2030 United Nations decade on ecosystem restoration. Then 2021 to 2030 United Nations decade for oceanic science for sustainable development. Like this from 2017-18 to 2027 to 2036. This is what you need to prepare. This is the Optima card which I have prepared for my test series students. This Optima card you will be getting. Such kind of logical PYQ analysis if you do, then no one can stop you from cracking the prelims examination. So what did we do? We used PYQs. We used PYQs to not only understand what question UPSC is asking. We are basically understanding the theme. What is the theme? The theme is basically international days, international year, and using this we predict international decade in the coming year. Okay, this is how we do it. So guys, now I am going to show you one question which is a future year question which I am preparing as part of our most important question series, which is the Lakshya series and the Optima series for 2026 prelims examination. Guys, again I would like to make this very clear. This is not just a test series. This is prediction. This is prediction for the prelims 2026 by a person who actually understands how this examination works. Because I have the experience of cracking it 6 out of 6 times. Please make use of these tests. I'm telling you, next 90 days, if you properly solve all the questions of my Lakshya series, your chances of qualifying the prelims examination will be very high. Now, this is I called future year question. Future year question means my prediction for 2026. You can see, consider the following pairs: international decade and match the pair with the themes. What is the answer? Let me see how many of you are able to answer this question in the comment box. Okay, so I'm giving you 1 minute. Please read the question and solve this answer in the comment box. For other aspirant, I would like to tell you, this is my Telegram channel, guys. Optimize IAS. Do join my Telegram channel. If you want this test series, contact this number. Contact this number. My number is flashing here. Contact this number to get access to this test series. Again, I'm saying this test series is really very, very useful because it is having predicted questions. All important questions, predicted questions. Guys, remember this. One single question can change your fate. One single question can help you crack the prelims examination. Many of you are struggling to crack prelims examination. This is the chance. This is the thing which can really help you to break that and to qualify prelims, guys, in 2026 prelims examination. With this, guys, I would like to appeal every one of you, particularly if you are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, please do share this video in your circle, guys. A lot of students are calling me from Andhra, Telangana. Guys, I am here to help you. Okay, you can reach out to me anytime. This is my number. Again, I would like to say, okay, reach out this number. Telegram me before calling. Book a call with me. I am going to help you crack prelims examination. Generally, my classes get over around 10:30 to 11 p.m. I am free after that. You can ping me and you can book a call and I'll speak to you and I'll help you crack the prelims examination. I'll take your leave, guys. Thank you. God bless you.